Guys, it is blazing. I mean, blazing out here today. It's probably, I think it's supposed to be 90 degrees. It is 11:51 right now. It's hot, dude. One for these Jones, I'm telling you, if you out there racing nitro, fifth scale, whatever, drag racing, get yourself a pair of these, man. These Jones are the truth. Amazon, yo, they got fans in them, neck coolers. So Google out neck coolers. Get yourself a set of these. Got 3 settings on these. Awesome. I don't know how I could do it without this.
We have 2 heats.
It's a must today, bro. It is hot. So hot, engines are overheating, and it's a miserable day out here for real. I'm sweating like I don't know what. Oh my.
Watch straightaway, watch the straightaway. Stop on the straightaway. Stop on the straightaway. All right, all clear, all clear. All right, Andy, you're up there, right? I see you. You got the black car, right? Okay.
Attention racers, we have 5 minutes before the start of the race.
Yeah, so as soon as we get everybody checked in, we're going to start. Just wait for Joey to check in one more time. Joey, check in one more time for me, Joey. All right, slow him down, guys. Slow him down so I can now make sure I have all my transponders here. I just need to slow him down.
You have 4 minutes before the start of the race.
All right, have everybody checked in. All right, guys, take them around, guys. I'll tell you when to start. Take them around. I'll tell you when to start. All right, the race is hot, guys. The race is hot. Here we go. Race is started. Don't forget everybody's on their own clock, so don't worry about when you cross the line. When you cross the line, that'll start your own individual clock. And don't forget your fastest 3 consecutive laps will seed you for the main. Fastest 3 consecutive laps will seed you for the main. So drive smoothly, have a good time, have some fun. Cisco here at Wagner Park, baby, yeah! Everybody's got one lap. All right, track, please. Track. Thank you. Stop where you're at. There you go. Thank you, guys. Appreciate you. And we got another car out there, so hang on, guys. Hang on. Use these track times to, again, refresh your arms and whatnot. Probably the best thing to do.
Oh, I do.
All right, track is hot. All right, track, guys, track. Thank you. Stop your car. Thank you.
Sorry about that. It's all good. Trying to get out of the way.
All right, track is hot. Oh, look at Joey and Wayne fighting. I see y'all fighting up there. Two and a half down, 7.5 to go, drivers. 2.5 down, 7.5 to go. Oh man, Lance has got the big dimple in the front of his car. Oh man. All right. Keep it going, guys. Nice and smooth. Hey Lance, if you want your body poked out, looks like Reese will help you. If you look for the orange shirt, he'll help you out if you want. He's on a straightaway if you want. Take him off the track though, take him off the track. Thank you. All right, there we go, good job. Thank you, Reese. All right, keep it going, guys. 6 minutes to go. Less than 6 to go. Again, your fastest 3 consecutive laps will feed you for the main, baby. Everybody's got to make a main anyway, but just so you know for down the road how we do things here. 5.5 to go, drivers. Oh, track, guys, track. Got a blowout, tire blowout.
Come on, Rob.
Okay, track is hot.
How the hell you do that?
Oh man, we got Rob Leone with a blown tire.
I should have checked mine though. I ain't checked mine.
All right, halfway, drivers, halfway there. 5 down, 5 to go. 5 down, 5 to go.
Oh.
5 down, 5 to go. Hell yeah.
You good?
down, 4 to go. 6 minutes down and 4 minutes to go. Again, your fastest 3 consecutive laps will speed you. Oh, track guys, one more track guys. Give me a track please. Track please. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Second blowout, man, for Rob. Oh, man. He's Loctite, man. All right, track is hot. All right, a little more than 3 minutes to go, drivers. A little more than 3 to go. Looks like we're looking for a loose nut somewhere. I'll figure it out at the end of this race if we can't find it. Good job, drivers. Good job. That's exactly right. That's exactly how you do it. You work with each other. Everybody gets faster if everybody works together. A little more than 2 minutes to go. Less than 2 minutes, drivers. Less than 2 minutes to go. This is our open / Baja class, mostly open. Look at Joey showing off. I see you, Joey. I see you, man.
Oh, my bad.
Oh, we got 2-car power.
My bad.
Still all good, though. Still all good. Less than a minute to go, drivers. Less than a minute. Again, try to tie 3 fast laps together. That should be your mindset. Thirty seconds. There's 10 minutes. Keep going until I call your name. Keep going until I call your name. All right, so let him out there. Leave him out there. Leave him out there. Everybody keep going. Nobody's done yet. Nobody's done. All right, Lance, you're done. Wayne, you're done.
All right, guys, look, I had a bargain going on.
All right, ladies and gentlemen and ladies, we are here
while we was out running. Random started running a little hot, so I gotta cut this open, get all this open. I already took my windows down all the way, and I'm gonna open this back up, try and get this heat out of here. So we'll see how it goes.